मेरा नाम जी रेवरेंड डॉक्टर जावेद रऊफ़ है और थैंक यू वेरी मच कि आप यहाँ पर जमा हुए हैं। और मैं एक क्रिश्चियन जो हूँ, प्रीस्ट भी हूँ और लीडर भी हूँ, और मेरे साथ इस मुल्क के बड़े मशहूर और मरूफ हमारी कम्युनिटी के लीडर्स इस वक्त इस प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस में शामिल हैं, जिनमें बिशप नईम प्रसाद साहब मेरे साथ बैठे हुए हैं, बिशप सलामत साहब, और दूसरी तरफ पास्टर शौकत शारून है, पास्टर एल्फर्ड हैं, और सुहेल रऊफ़ साहब हैं, बाबर पॉल साहब हैं, थॉमस याकूब हैं, और हमारी काउंसिल आसिया इस्माइल जो है, एडवोकेट आसिया इस्माइल इस जगह पर मेरे साथ मौजूद है। मैं चाहूँगा कि पहले मैं अपना जो स्पीच है वो पहले आपके सामने पेश कर दूँ, और फिर मैं मौका दूँगा कि वो बिशप नईम प्रसाद साहब कुछ जो है वो इसमें ऐड करेंगे चीज़ें, और फिर उसके बाद मैं हमारी जो काउंसिल हैं एडवोकेट आसिया इस्माइल जो हमारा मौक़िफ़ है उसको जो है वाज़े तौर पर ये पेश करेंगी, और उसके बाद हम सवालात को ले लेंगे। अगर कोई सवाल है तो प्लीज़ आप ज़रूर पूछ सकते हैं। तो मैं शुरू करता हूँ। थैंक यू फॉर गैदरिंग here today. My name is Reverend Dr. Javed Rauf, and I stand before you as a representative of Christian community in Pakistan, a community that long have been marginalized and denied its fundamental rights. Today I am here to announce a significant step in our fight for justice and true representation, the filing of a public interest litigation case against the Federation of Pakistan and Election Commission of Pakistan. For decades, the Christian community in Pakistan has faced systematic discrimination and violence. Our homes have been burned, our people attacked, our voices silenced. We have been denied our rightful place in society. And nowhere is more evident than our lack of representation in the Hall of Powers. Since 1979, the prevalence of military dictatorship have fueled religious extremism in our country. Christians are often viewed with suspicion, seen as an agent of so-called Western agenda, and labeled as infidels. This has led to severe persecution, with extremist organizations systematically targeting our community. One of the most glaring injustice we face in the manner in which our parliament representation are selected. Instead of being allowed to elect our own representation, Christian members of parliaments are handpicked by the political parties. These appointed representation often do not truly represent the interest and concern of our community. They are chosen to serve the interest of the parties that appointed them, not the people they are supposed to represent. We believe that this practice is fundamentally undemocratic and violates our right as Pakistani citizens. Every community deserves to have the voice in parliament that genuinely reflects its views and struggles. We demand the right to elect our own representatives free from external influence and manipulation. Today, I am proud to announce that we are taking our fight to the courts. We are filing a public interest litigation case against the government of Pakistan, challenging the current system of selecting Christian members and other non-Muslim members of parliament. Our goal is simple: to ensure that Christians and all non-Muslims in Pakistan have the right to self-elect representatives who will genuinely advocate for our rights and interests. This is not just about Christian community. It is about very principle of democracy and justice in Pakistan. True representation is cornerstone of any democratic society. When the segment of population is denied its right, the entire democratic fabric of the nation is weakened. We call upon judiciary to recognize the urgency and importance of this matter. We urge them to uphold the principles of justice and equality that are enshrined in our Constitution. We also call upon the government to acknowledge the legitimate demand of the Christian community and to take steps to rectify the long-standing injustice. To our fellow citizens, we ask for your support. Stand with us in our fight for justice. This is not just about Christians. It is about ensuring that all Pakistani, regardless of their faith, have the right to be heard and represented. To the media, we ask and we request for your continued coverage and support. Your role is shining a light on these issues is crucial. Through your reporting, you can help bring about the change that our community so desperately need. Thank you very much.